going, everybody? Jens Krogh here from Walther with the P99 Final Edition. This gun's been in service since 1997, so we decided to give it a grandiose send-off with the Final Edition. So we're doing this special OD green colored frame, Final Edition engraving on the slide, and it comes in a special case with a commemorative challenge coin for the P99. So really excited about this. We're sad to see it go, but this gun's been a workhorse for us for 26 years now. So one final send-off, and we really love this gun, love to shoot it.